One of the outstanding features of the Hub platform is that you can actually get Microsoft Office free of charge on up to 15 devices. So if we go to the Hub homepage, at the moment, you can just scroll down a little bit and click on how to get Office free of charge. And there's a really simple video, about 25 seconds, that shows you how to actually install it. But in a nutshell, log on to the Hub, go to Office and press the install button. I'll show you what that actually looks like. So let's go to Home. Let's go to Login. I'm going to log in with a Hub account. And this one will look slightly different to your children's because this is not a student account. But once we get into the Office 365, it will look the same. So go to Menu, select Office. You'll have a lot for your options. And as I said, you just literally click on Install, which is at the top right. Here, Install Office. Really is that simple. Install. Okay. While I'm here, I'll do a very, very quick whistle-stop guide through Microsoft. You get a email account, Outlook. Just click in there. Most of you are probably very familiar with this. It's the first time I've used it, so there's nothing in here at all. You get OneDrive, which is basically a cloud storage. So anything that the children do will be saved into here automatically. Nothing in here again at the moment. But as we save things, they will become and be shown in here. Microsoft Word. Not the full version of Word, because this is an online version. General templates along here, and anything that they do in Word will also be saved here down the bottom. We also have Excel, PowerPoint, and then OneNote. Teams, absolutely fantastic for collaborating with other people. You can share documents, you can have live chats on there. Class Notebook, Sway, Forms. Microsoft Forms is fantastic for creating surveys. And then it also says here, all apps. So if you go to all apps, your children also have access to all of these as well. It's quite incredible when you think of it. Right down the bottom, there's a few tips and tricks. You notice the waffle line, saying that we have on Google as well. And click here and have a view of the most used apps that we use. Get back into Office 365, and there we are. That's the home screen. So I will do more detailed presentations on what these can do individually at a later date. But I just wanted to show you how easy it was to install Office on up to 15 devices. To repeat, all you'll need to do is go to your Hub account, log in, click on Office 365, and then install the Office. It will literally take a matter of minutes. Again, I hope this was of some use to you.